In this video, I will explain you if you can transfer your Google Play account balance to another account. So if you open Google Play on your mobile device and then simply tap on your profile picture and then go to payments and subscriptions and then go to payment methods here, and if you see any balance here and let's say you want to transfer this balance to another account, well, you cannot do that. So as you can see here, I found this forum post from the official Google employee, as you can see here, and this user here asked if he can transfer the money to another Google account. And as you can see, he said here, unfortunately, you can transfer your Google Play balance to another account. Google Play balance is not a real currency, but rather a way to store value that can be used to purchase apps, games, movies, music, and other content from Google Play Store. When you add money to your Google Play balance, it's stored in a secure account that's linked to your Google account. This means that you can only use your Google Play balance to make purchases on the Google Play Store. So basically, you can only use this balance from here on your account. So basically, that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.